This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to play 5 different melodies together. We'll be reading those melodies in standard music notation, as this lesson series is all about reading notes. So we're going to be doing that. The new thing about these melodies is that they will have eighth notes incorporated into them. So in the last video, I introduced eighth notes and went over alternate picking. So if you need help with those things and haven't seen that video, you probably want to check that video out. We're going to be using these right in our melodies. With these melodies, we want to use alternate picking as suggested in the last video. So anywhere we have eighth notes happening on an offbeat, we want to use an up pluck, and anywhere else where we have notes happening on the beat, we want to use a down pluck. So that's the trick that we're using right now. Now, if that gets really comfortable for you and you want to do more alternate picking, it's actually okay to do alternate picking through the quarter notes as well. For example, you could play on beats 1 and 3 a down pluck, and on beats 2 and 4 an up pluck if you had a string of quarter notes back to back. And then we continue to use alternate plucking in places where we have eighth notes. So that's something that you can try there. And actually, at this point in the lesson series, what's incredible is that we have learned all the natural notes in first position on all 6 strings, which is a tremendous accomplishment. Sometimes it helps actually to just go back to the beginning of the book and read through those melodies. Maybe read them at a faster tempo, and you'll find that after all this work, those melodies are much easier to read. As you're going through them, if you want to, after you've worked on some alternate picking, especially with the scale exercises we did in the last video, you might find that quarter notes and half notes and all of that, it really is kind of nice to do alternate picking through those notes, and that's okay. You can do that if you want to. But here in this video, we're going to read through these 5 melodies. This video does accompany Lesson 8 from my Note Reading Books 1 and 2 method book. In that book, we're going to be on pages 47 and 48, doing 10 through 14, songs 10 through 14. Those are the ones that we're going to read. We're just going to be jamming right along with the track I created for this video. So it'll be you, me, and the band jamming on these melodies. Each one will happen at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and a faster tempo. You want to do that slower tempo first. If you're struggling with parts of it, if some of it's just too fast, you want to pause that video and work those parts of the melody until you can get them up to tempo. Tripping through playing along with me doesn't help you develop the technique very fast. But pausing and working those parts does help you get that technique down, and then play along with the video and have a blast jamming right along with me. Once you got it at that tempo, then of course the next tempo would be the next challenge. So let's go ahead and jam on these melodies together. fantastic. I hope you are having fun with this. In the next video, we're going to do the last 3 songs that are part of Lesson 8. So we'll jam on those melodies together. It's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.